Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay with Ellie and Mac Patterns. I wanted just to have some fun and do a little fabric unboxing today. So I just got my Boho Fabrics order. Really like how they package their fabric. This is a surprise. I was looking for this. I was looking at her bundles and she had this with this beautiful sweater knit and then another one. And I really liked it, but she was out of this particular fabric. I went ahead and ordered the sweater knit because I wanted to make a Sarah wide sleeve sweater with it. If you've watched my other videos, you know I love that pattern because it's so comfortable and it looks great. I got that, and then this came as a surprise. She must have found some, and I am just so excited because it's just really beautiful, right? I haven't really decided what to do with it yet, and it might take me a bit to actually cut it because, you know, it's so pretty. I received this beautiful stretch lace. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a really nice stretch to it. I really liked that this summer, so it's great for swim cover-ups. It's great if you line it and make a dress or a top. I've made a couple tank tops, swing tops, and then just worn a cami underneath, which I thought looked great. So if you like this, they have several colors. Highly recommend it. This is the bundle that I purchased. I saw her advertise it and I just really loved it, so I hurried and snagged one as soon as it was released. So it's a woven, it almost looks like a crepe or something like that, but it's just really pretty and drapey. I want to make some sort of a blouse with this, I think. Just something that will be really nice for the hot weather. I don't know about you guys, but it is hot here. It's almost 98 degrees. It's pretty hot. White woven that is very similar to this one. Would be really nice even to line that with probably. So it would make a great like business wear cami or tank top or something like that. This is another stretch mesh or stretch lace, however you want to say it, but I just really like it. I think it's really nice, and I haven't really done a lot with this color, so hopefully it's gonna look nice on me. We'll see what I come up with this. I haven't really thought it through on exactly what I'm gonna make with all of it, but I'm excited nonetheless. Another thing I wanted to show you, in a previous order when I bought this sweater material, I also bought this like really luxurious, it's almost like a waffle or a cable knit sweater, and it's nice and chunky. So this is like my ideal go-to for the winter. I'm super excited for fall just because I just really like being cozy. And then this one is almost even cozier than the last one, if that's even possible, but this is a cable knit, just really nice. I thought it could be a beautiful cardigan, maybe a duster, or a Sarah wide sleeve sweater. As I've said, I really like those, but something really nice and comfortable. Maybe a cowl neck sweater so you can get really cozy with some, probably a balloon style sleeve, something that's just really nice. So, all right, let me know which fabric is your favorite, or what types of fabric do you like the most? What are your favorite colors? I'd love to know. So comment below and I will respond to you down there. Bye.